Unlock your next epic adventure without ever pulling out a credit card using the power of Paysafe. First, head to the Epic Games Store, either through the desktop app or on your web browser, and make sure you're logged into your account. Browse the tempting selection of games, add-ins, or that sweet bucks package to your card. Once you've made your choices, click on the shopping cart icon to review your order and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you'll see a variety of payment methods. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Paysafe Card. Click on it to select it. This is where the magic happens. You'll be asked to enter your 16-digit Paysafe Card PIN. Carefully type it in. Double-check it to avoid any errors, because nobody likes errors. After entering your PIN, click the button to confirm and complete the transaction. The Epic Games Store will process your payment. You might see a loading screen. Just be patient. Congratulations, your purchase is now complete. You're all set to dive into your new game or enjoy those shiny new in-game items. Happy gaming! And remember, Paysafe keeps your financial info safe and sound.